How to add project audio settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the Fairlight page where all the audio editing happens. This is where you can control every aspect of your project sound. Next, click on the project settings gear icon located in the bottom right corner of the interface. This opens the settings window where you can adjust everything for your project. In the project settings window, find the Fairlight tab on the left side menu and click on it. Here, you will see the timeline sample rate option, which determines the audio quality throughout your project. Typically, 48,000 kHz is used for video projects, but you can change it depending on your source files or delivery needs. Just below, you will find the bussing section. Bussing lets you organize how audio tracks route to different buses or outputs, which is very useful when managing complex sound mixes or sending audio to different speakers or devices. Further down, check the audio metering option. This controls how your audio labels are displayed while editing, helping you monitor volume peaks and avoid clipping for clean sound. In audio metering, you can customize several options such as meter type, label detector, scale, decay, peak indicator, target loudness level, loudness scale, bus meter alignment level, bus meter high level, and bus meter low level. Adjusting these lets you fine-tune how you view and measure audio levels during your project. After setting all this, click Save to apply the changes. Setting up your audio project correctly at the start helps prevent syncing or quality issues later. And that's it. Now you know how to add project audio settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.